Happy birthday, Cream. Hello guys, today I'm gonna drink the creamy shake. But it's just ice cream. Yeah, it's just ice cream with some purple candy on it, which I mixed it, then it became Grimace shake. Oh, hey Gwen. The Grimace shake.
Hoy, Gwyneth, ikaw ay kumain na natin mamaya hapon sa
Let's go. The Grimace shake. Bye.